Bye Canada, hello Côte d'Ivoire. I couldn't wait to see my family. And also go on an amazing street food tour, restaurant, anywhere I can eat, guys. I'm in Eden Beach with one of my BFF. Beautiful place, games, drinks, and the food. Ah! Dega is so yummy. It's yogurt and milk. Our donut. Oh, this is cacao, cocoa. It's so good. This dish is called plakali. It's cassava flour mixed with boiled water. I'm near the lagoon and we're going to eat a rabbit soup. Guys, I was really craving for a kiosk pasta and kidney, and my mom showed me this kiosk. Even for them, it has been a long time. It's really simple, fast, cheap, and really good. Thanks to one of my dear friends, I got to eat the fisherman soup at the QG restaurant.
Tu as commandé en ligne?
Non, je l'ai appelé, en fait, je ne pas. Ça va?
Dark ambience, love it.
Oh, c'est bon appétit.
Merci. C'est là, oui.
Je ne vois même pas les escargots. Ah, merci.
The sands, the horses, the waves, time to relax. One of the best buffets in Abidjan. Every Sunday they have a different theme. Now it's time for a shawarma. We are here for the ice cream and the spring rolls. We call them here nem. Another direction for food, the market. My favorite meal since childhood. We had to fight a little bit to have this meal. It was all worth it. Ice pop time. We call it Pocky. My mom wanted to show me a restaurant in the middle of nowhere. It was amazing. We're going to eat the fisherman soup. It's my second time and I really love it. A quick view of the Basilica of Our Lady of Peace. We're going to buy some groceries on our way back to the capital because it's cheaper.
Take me.
Yeah, this is white meat and it's so good.
C'est bon? Tu manges quoi?
Je comprends pas.
C'est acide.
We're going to a concert. We're going outside Abidjan again.
Ça, c'est comme ça.
Ah, ça fait des millions.
We are ready to go. It's been a long time I didn't see something like this. This is how the futu is made. After 6 years, the way it's done was a little bit uncomfortable for me, but I forgot all of it when it was time to eat. This is so good. I'm at Burger King, Côte d'Ivoire. You will see what I just ordered. Stay tuned. We're going to buy a choukouya sandwich in the street. This is a country pate and sausage sandwich. Let's go back to the Vietnamese food. We call these mealy donuts wami or nyomi. Please like, subscribe, and tell me down below which part of this food tour in West Africa was your favorite. I really enjoyed each moment here.
Bye!